From autonomous drones and stealthy sea vessels to robotic quadrupeds and advanced weapon systems, these are the military technologies that are rewriting the rules of modern combat. Whether you're a defense tech enthusiast or just love seeing what's on the horizon, you're in for a wild ride. Let's check out the breakthroughs that are taking military power to a whole new level. But first, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know first when we post new content. The Nanosphere is an advanced, expendable radio frequency decoy developed to enhance aircraft protection against radar-guided air-to-air and surface-to-air missiles. Once deployed, the Nanosphere operates independently to lure hostile radar-guided missiles away from their intended targets. Equipped with a digital receiver, radio frequency memory jammer, and sophisticated electronic warfare techniques generator, it effectively counters modern radar threats. By diverting radar-guided missiles, the Nanosphere provides an additional layer of defense, increasing the chances of mission success and crew safety. The Nanosphere represents a significant advancement in aircraft self-protection technology, offering a lightweight yet effective solution against evolving missile threats. The Arquus MAV-RX is a next-generation 4x4 multi-role armored vehicle engineered for high-intensity combat scenarios. The MAV-RX combines exceptional mobility, robust protection, and versatile firepower, making it a formidable asset on the modern battlefield. Features electrically assisted doors and a rear ramp for efficient boarding and disembarking. Equipped with run-flat tires and a centralized tire inflation system, ensuring optimal performance across diverse terrains. Features high-level protection against ballistic threats and mines. Comes with integrated filtration system for chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear protection. Accommodates up to 10 soldiers with their equipment. Showcased with a 25mm turret, but supports various weapon systems, including the Hornet remote-controlled weapon station and anti-tank missile launchers. With its blend of mobility, protection, and adaptability, the Arquus MAV-RX represents a significant advancement in armored vehicle technology. Simunition is a specialized, non-lethal training ammunition developed by General Dynamics Ordnance and Tactical Systems. It is designed to provide military, law enforcement, and certified civilian users with realistic force-on-force training experiences that closely mimic real-world combat scenarios. Simunition is utilized by military units for preparing soldiers in close-quarters combat and urban warfare scenarios. Participants can practice marksmanship, movement, and communication in dynamic environments that reflect real-life challenges. By simulating high-pressure situations, trainees can develop critical thinking and rapid decision-making skills. The non-lethal nature of simunition rounds allows for realistic training without the risks associated with live ammunition. Specialized gear is provided to protect participants during close-range training exercises, ensuring safety while maintaining realism. The DITA is a cutting-edge, highly automated self-propelled howitzer. Designed to meet modern battlefield demands, the DITA offers enhanced mobility, precision, and operational efficiency. Equipped with a .45 caliber gun, the DITA can fire up to 24 miles using extended-range full-bore base bleed shells. Features a fully automated superstructure, allowing operation by a minimal crew of 2, enhancing efficiency and reducing manpower requirements. Capable of multiple rounds simultaneous impact, allowing it to fire multiple shells that land on the target simultaneously, maximizing impact. The wheeled chassis and high mobility allow for quick repositioning, essential for modern shoot-and-scoot tactics. The crew cabin offers ballistic protection which includes nuclear, biological, and chemical protection systems, air conditioning, and heating for enhanced crew safety and comfort. The Teledyne SUG-V is a portable, single-person lift robot designed for dismounted and mobile operations. It provides operators with a highly mobile platform capable of navigating challenging terrains, climbing stairs, and manipulating objects, making it ideal for tasks such as surveillance, reconnaissance, and explosive ordnance disposal. The SUG-V can traverse rough terrain, climb stairs with inclines up to 45 degrees, and handle vertical obstacles up to 12 inches high. Its flippers allow it to pivot on the spot and automatically right itself if overturned. Equipped with a dexterous manipulator arm, The SUGV can lift up to 20 pounds, enabling it to perform complex tasks such as opening doors or handling hazardous materials. The robot features a suite of sensors, including high-definition cameras, long-wave infrared cameras, stitched 360-degree cameras, and a 30x optical zoom. It also includes two-way audio communication, enhancing situational awareness for the operator. The Skywall Auto is an advanced, autonomous counter-drone system designed to detect, track, and physically capture unauthorized drones using a net-based mechanism. Skywall Auto can automatically acquire and track drones using AI-powered optics, enabling rapid response without constant human oversight. Utilizes compressed air to launch a net projectile that entangles the target drone, allowing for safe retrieval and forensic analysis. Can function as a standalone system or be integrated with existing drone detection and security infrastructures to enhance overall counter capabilities. Available in various configurations, including the Skywall Auto Response, a vehicle-mounted variant that provides mobile protection for large areas or high-value assets. Supporting agencies in mitigating unauthorized drone activities in diverse operational environments. Anduril Industries has recently unveiled two innovative undersea technologies: Copperhead, a family of autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, and Seabed Sentry, an AI-enabled seabed sensor network. The Copperhead series comprises high-speed, software-defined AUVs capable of executing a range of missions, from surveillance to precision strikes. Two primary models, Copperhead 100 and Copperhead 500, differ in size and payload capacity. Equipped with Anduril's Lattice AI software, Copperhead AUVs can autonomously identify and engage targets. Seabed Sentry is an autonomous sensor system designed to provide persistent underwater surveillance. The Sentry deploys as a network of nodes on the ocean floor, each capable of sensing, processing, and transmitting data in real time, forming scalable defense grids for monitoring maritime regions and infrastructure. Together, Copperhead and Seabed Sentry represent a significant advancement in autonomous maritime systems, offering enhanced capabilities for defense and commercial applications. The TIMSA T-3100C is a next-generation, uncooled thermal weapon sight designed for versatile use in both standalone and clip-on configurations. This device enhances target acquisition and situational awareness across various operational scenarios. Equipped with a 1280 by 1024 color OLED screen, providing clear imagery for effective target identification. Offers white hot, black hot, and 5 additional color palettes to adapt to various environments and user preferences. Maintains consistent focus across a range of temperatures, ensuring reliable performance in diverse conditions. Can be mounted in front of existing day optics without the need for re-zeroing, offering flexibility in mission profiles. Features adjustable contrast and brightness settings, along with an intuitive menu system for ease of operation. The tank boat is an innovative, high-speed, and stealthy catamaran designed for operations in coastal and riverine environments. This vessel combines advanced weaponry with exceptional maneuverability to support a variety of military missions. The lightweight yet robust structure offers excellent seakeeping capabilities and a shallow draft, enabling operations in areas inaccessible to traditional vessels. Equipped with the Cockerill 3030 remote weapon station, featuring a 30mm autocannon capable of engaging both land and sea targets. Typically includes 2 machine guns for close-in defense and additional firepower. The vessel's armor provides ballistic protection safeguarding against small arms fire and shell splinters. Operated by a team of 5 personnel, but capable of carrying up to 60 troops, making it suitable for rapid deployment and extraction missions. Its shallow draft and high speed make it particularly effective in littoral zones, estuaries, and other challenging environments where traditional vessels may struggle to operate. The Venom is a lightweight, high-capacity, non-lethal grenade launcher developed specifically for the U.S. Marine Corps. Designed to enhance force protection and crowd control capabilities, it offers a versatile solution for various operational scenarios. The launcher comprises 30 tubes capable of firing 38mm or 40mm non-lethal grenades, allowing for rapid deployment of multiple munitions. compatible with various platforms, including vehicles, shields, tripod mounts, weapon stations, and static installations, providing flexibility in deployment. Capable of delivering a range of effects such as flash and sound distraction, smoke obscuration, irritants, and blunt trauma, supporting escalation of force protocols. Effective in scenarios requiring crowd dispersal, area denial, and escalation of force, particularly in urban environments and during convoy operations. Its design prioritizes rapid deployment and adaptability, making it a valuable asset in modern military operations. And that wraps up our look at the military technologies pushing the limits of innovation and redefining the future of defense. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge tech content, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.